Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am diving into how to take contact from 7 with Google Tag Manager and Analytics 4. If you are looking to get more insight into your form's conversion and boost your analytics, you are in the right place. Let's jump right in. This is my demo website. I already connected this website with our Google Tag Manager. If I check here, already connected with Google Tag Manager. Now I want to track this from with Google Tag Manager and data sent Google Analytics 4. So first in set up Google Tag. Now I need to click new, then find out custom HTML. I need to copy this code. This is the listener code. Sorry. Paste here, then triggering all pages, then click save. Then click again preview button. Then paste your website URL. Then click again contact. Then fill up this form. Then send, submit. If you see Google Tag Manager debug view, this event are created. So I need to create a event for Google Analytics 4. So click again here, then click again Google Analytics 4, then select Google Analytics event. I need a measurement ID. So go back to your Google Analytics 4, then find out data stream. This is the data stream. Then click here, then copy this measurement ID, then paste here. I need to create a event. What type of event need? Event like contact from 7 from submission. So here I will paste this event name. So here is the event contact from submit. Copy this event, then paste here. Then again click on event parameter. I need to send two event parameters. So what type of parameter need? One of the form ID and another from subject. Then paste here. I need to create a variable for from ID. So again click here, then find out data layer variable. Then copy again from ID. Where we find out from ID? If you check here, this is the from ID. So copy this from ID. Then paste here and give a name for this variable TLB from ID, then click save. I need a from subject. So where we find out from subject, I need to create a variable. So copy this, then again click plus icon, then find out data layer variable, then paste here, then given a name DLB subject, then click save. Our event create done. Then I need to create triggering. So click here and find out custom event. Again copy event, then paste here, and given a name contact from 7 submission, then click save changes. Our setup almost done. Contact from 7 submission tag, then click save. Now I need to click preview button. Then go back to your website, then click on contact, then submit this form and send a message. then click on submit. If you see that Google Tag Manager debug view, our all of the tag already fired. If you click here from submitted, then again click variables, we will see our from ID, DLP subject message, and event name. So if I click again Google Analytics for debug view, you will see that our from all of data is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide on how to track Contact Pro 7 with Google Tag Manager was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more web analytics video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or reach out on our WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn. See you in the next video.